Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and I've learned many things over the time of running this channel, and one of them is that you guys love free stuff. I love free stuff too, and today we've got a ton of free stuff, and this is all coming you care of Secrets of Luminara. This is a challenge that Kitbash are putting on right now. Kitbash 3D may sound familiar to you if you're a regular to this channel. I covered their last giveaway, which was called Mission to Minerva. The thing is, all of the stuff from Mission to Minerva still available for free as well, so we now have an absolute ton of free content for you to get your hands on. By the way, if you want to stay up to date, latest greatest in the world of game development news, do hit that like and subscribe button. All right, so first thing we're going to do is jump in and take a look at the hands-on stuff. Now, there is a downside to this. There's always a catch, right? But it's a simple catch. You need to use their launcher, Cargo. It's actually kind of nice, to be honest. I like Cargo. But it is the downside. You can't just download these off the web. You do need to use their launcher to get them. But as you will see in just a second, this nicely integrates into whatever tool you're using. By the way, this works directly with Unity, with Unreal, with Max Maya, and Blender, etc. So regardless to what tool you're using, you can easily export it out. And if you're using something like Godot or Flax or something, another like different engine, you can easily do a pass through Blender and out. No problems at all. So what you're seeing here, we have this new kit. This is the Secrets of Luminara, and all the stuff you see here, completely and utterly free. Now, I already set up so that it's working with Blender. They have plugins available for a variety of different platforms, and I downloaded this Blimp airship. So you can see over here, I can pick where I want to send it. So if I added more software, again, there are multiple things you can hook up. So you've got integrations with Unreal, Unity, Blender, Max Maya, Cinema 4D, and Houdini in there as a beta. And then I'm going to just go ahead, pick Blender. I pick my texture resolutions. We'll stick with 2K textures. But if you're using something a little bit lower res, you can do that as well. You can see the polygon details of this. It's definitely a high resolution model. And we're going to go ahead and export that out, which oddly enough is called import, which I find a little bit confusing. And we head back over here. Here we are in Blender, which is currently getting this all brought in. What you'll notice here, we got an excellent opportunity, a default cube that hasn't been killed yet. There it goes. All right, so what I'm going to do is switch over to the render mode. It's going to take a second for the shaders to compile. And that lady is that. So what we're going to do, come on over here. We'll switch this up to make it a little bit brighter. And let's go take a look at what we got. So here you can see, easy to get these kits out into your game engine of choice. Everything is very modular. Let's go take a look around this ship. And yep, here we go. So pretty high resolution models. Inside here, you'll also notice we've got, books and such going on. I already took a look. There's no real Easter eggs that I saw on the names, although Dante's Reef is a bit of a pun, I guess. So yeah, this is one of the assets you brought out. Again, you can hook this directly into whatever tool you are using. So Blender was just my one choice in this example. The cool thing with the Kitbash stuff is what you can do is go ahead, instead of looking at it in kit form over here, you can come down here into like the models category of Cargo. You will find that this can be a very buggy program, by the way. It seems to be very internet connection based. I'm not really sure. Come here to access and you can go to free. By the way, if you're wondering what free means, it actually kind of depends on what your tier is. So you can actually only use these assets free for personal projects on the free tier. If you've got a pro tier, you can use them free professionally. One of those things we'll get back to in just a minute. But what you can do, come down here, you're going to see all of the individual assets from both kits are available here. So you see the Minerva stuff in here, and then we've got the other assets in as well. So here, say you want these stairs. Again, grab them, download them, import them into your project, head on over to Blender, and boom, you've got stairs ready to go. And that is how quick it is to get things in and out of the application. Also, at the same time, you'll notice there's also a category for materials here, and you can grab all of the textures individually. So once again, come down here, access, free, and you'll get all of the free content. It's textures ready to go. So if you just need a shiny metal texture here, you can grab it accordingly. Once again, download it. So here you can see an example where it's just flaking out. And then I'll go with something else, and then it'll work fast, and I'll come back here, and it'll work fast. So yeah, Cargo can be very frustrating at times too. Definitely one of those things you want to be aware of. So we're gonna head on over, look at some of the details. So once again, Secrets of Luminara, it is an asset giveaway, but at the same time, it is also a Kitbash 3D challenge. It runs from October the 7th, so a couple of days ago, until November the 30th. Again, just like Minerva, I think you're gonna be able to keep these assets for basically forever. So the asset side of things, no time limit on that, but the contest, if you want to contribute to it, you can. Basically, you build a world, you submit your world in. This group of like industry judges judge your work under whatever categories that you're under, and then you can win prizes. And there are the prizes. You've got computers, you've got laptops, you've got gaming chairs, you've got various different software licenses and training courses. You've got whatever the hell these are, which I have no idea what those are. But if you want to learn more about the prizes, you can. So there's prizes for different categories: first place, second place, and third place in concept art, animation, gaming category, and the community work. So there's different categories, different prizes available if you want to actually go ahead and submit to this. Once again, do be aware there are limitations on this. So they've got details of this project itself. By the way, there's also some training material about how to use these assets for various different kits. The key thing you're going to want to know, the licensing on these. So the licensing depends on your cargo license. The full license is available there. If you have a free license, the assets can be used in personal projects only, so you can't use them commercially. If you do create something with them and then you want to sell it, you basically need to upgrade to a cargo professional for individuals or single employee businesses, or for cargo teams. If you are using it for cargo professionals, you can use it for whatever you want, including, interestingly enough, generating NFTs, which is normally like one of the things you see not being able to use it for. So yeah, that is the details of the kit itself. Again, this is all part of the Secrets of Luminara challenge. So that is available right here at Kit Bash 3D. The big thing here is, again, you can get a bunch of assets for free, obviously, depending on your tier, how useful those are. So again, you can't use them non-commercially if you do not have a professional tier on your license. But if you do have a professional license with them, you can then use the assets commercially as well. So that is Secrets of Luminara, a bunch of assets from them. Again, their other kit is in here as well. And of course, they have a ton of other kits available. So we've got the one that we've already saw, the Minerva one going on, but a variety of other genres that have kits as well. And unfortunately, again, the key thing to know, it all has to go through Cargo, and Cargo works wonderfully. It's a great tool. It's got great integration into DCC tools. It's just the browsing side of things can get very frustrating, which I'm sure I will definitely hear about in some of the comments down below. There you go. Free stuff. We all like free stuff. Let me know what you think. Content's down below. I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.